Nestled amongst the towering pines of a Vietnamese forest, Villa of the Star isn't your typical resort. This haven, built upon the principles of connectivity, locality, and sustainability, transcends the boundaries of a simple getaway. Imagine a place where the very essence of nature flows seamlessly into the living space, fostering a deep sense of peace and connection. The architects behind Villa of the Star ingeniously weave the surrounding landscape into the resort's design. Gone are the days of disruptive construction. Here, low stone walls, mimicking the natural taluy banks, gently curve around the property. These walls, along with strategically placed stone steps, serve a dual purpose, preventing erosion from heavy rain while maintaining the natural integrity of the environment. Sustainability becomes a cornerstone of the project. Locally sourced materials like pinewood, stone, and bricks are used extensively, minimizing the resort's ecological footprint. The result? A harmonious blend of architecture and nature, whispering tales of the forest with every rustle of leaves. From afar, the villa resembles a captivating three-act play. The first act unfolds in a base clad with a mesmerizing tangle of stones, symbolizing unwavering support. This sturdy foundation paves the way for the second act, two pointed roofs, crafted from natural wood boasting rich brown and black tones, pierce the sky. The final act? The breathtaking panorama of the pine forest itself, echoing the natural hues used in the construction. This deliberate connection between the villa and its surroundings creates a symphony of visual harmony. Step inside Villa of the Star, and the magic continues. Large, strategically placed windows serve as portals to the evergreen tapestry outside. Natural light bathes the interiors, while the windows themselves function as picture frames, perpetually showcasing the ever-changing scenery of the forest. The use of modified pinewood throughout the villa on ceilings, walls, and floors further reinforces this connection. The wood's varying tones, from light to dark, add depth and character to the space, preventing monotony while staying true to the resort's natural essence. Villa of the Star caters not just to individual rejuvenation, but also fosters a sense of community. The common living area, which seamlessly blends the kitchen and living room, utilizes polished concrete flooring. This not only adds a touch of modern elegance, but also acts as a subtle divider between the public and private spaces within the villa. Large glass doors leading outwards erase the boundaries between the indoors and outdoors, creating a spacious and inviting area perfect for barbecues under the starry sky or cozy gatherings by the fireplace. So there you have it. Villa of the Star, a place where nature takes center stage. Whether you're seeking a solo retreat or a fun getaway with loved ones, this sustainable haven offers a unique opportunity to unwind and reconnect. If the tranquility of Villa of the Star has you yearning for a breath of fresh air, hit that like button and let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring travel destinations, and we'll see you on the next adventure.